In the following 5 minutes, I'm going to explain how to play 3 songs in 30 days. I created my own method, the color block method, and it allows you to play the piano with patterns. So this is the red block. This is the yellow block. This is the green block. And I have 2 more colors, but later more on that. I'm going to share my screen real quick. So when you click the link in the description, it brings you to School, which is a platform to host communities. And inside our community, there's also a classroom. And this one you can unlock when you're level 2. So School works based on gamification. You start as level 1, and when you engage in the community, you get points and you unlock new piano trainings. So let's click on play 3 songs in 30 days. It basically guides you through the training. And lesson 1 starts with a very simple video. This is the blue block, and it is one of the 5 colors. And it's basically like this. So this is exactly the blue block twice. If you scroll down, you can also see which notes we're playing. And if you combine color blocks, you create organic play. That's the idea behind it. So these are patterns that you can use in your piano improvisation or to learn new songs. And if you play red, green, red, yellow, for example, it would sound like this. Red, yellow. And these patterns, you can go quickly through them. We have different speeds. So this is the red block. If this is going too fast for you, you click on slow, which is lesson 3. And if you want to see how I play it fast, you can also study it fast. Now you might think, like, how can we create beautiful piano music with this? I'm gonna show you that. So these patterns, you can use them anywhere on the piano. If I start them from C, it sounds like how they are played in these videos. But if you start from A, it sounds like this. If you start from F, it would sound like this. And from G. So let's do the whole sequence. So in week 1, you only learn the colors. In week 2, you are going to experiment with the starting positions, and you learn your first new song, Interstellar. And again, we have slow, medium, and fast exercises. When you go down again, let me zoom in a little bit, otherwise it's hard to see. We're going to combine colors, but from one starting position. And in the last week, we combine everything, the starting positions and colors. So let's go one step back. Week 3, we do the combinations. Red, purple, for example, would sound like this. Red, purple, red, purple. And let's do another one. Here is yellow, red, yellow, red. Yellow sounds like this. Red, yellow, red. And in week 4, we combine these colors with different starting positions. So let's do C, red, A, red, F, yellow, G, green. C, red. A, red. F, yellow. G green. Again. With the pedal. And that's basically how you can improvise, because with the right hand I'm just picking random melody. Of course, based on a little bit of training, I know what sounds good, but you can pick any white key. So let me do it random again. I missed the yellow block right here, but that is okay for now. And for week 2, week 3, and week 4, we have one song that belongs to that week. And in week 4, you learn Can't Help Falling in Love. In week 3, you learn The Show Must Go On by Queen. And in week 2, you learn Interstellar by Hans Zimmer. So that's a very quick tour of the secret piano method. And if you want to join, it is $5 per month right now. The price will go up in the future. So if you join right now, you pay $5 per month. If I change the price later to $15 per month, you still pay $5 per month for the rest of your life until you cancel. And if you join right now and you think after 1 week like, oh, this is not for me, you can ask for a refund. That's totally fine. No questions asked. Of course, I'm curious to learn from your feedback, but I don't want to, it's totally fine. Like, I'm trying to create a method that helps the world to play the piano in a unique, different method that basically allows you to play without reading notes or without reading chords. And I would be very happy if you would join my mission and step on board and learn how to play the piano. 3 songs in 30 days. All right, thank you for listening and see you inside the community. Bye bye.